Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 6 and I got it in the space gray. So yeah, I just picked this up right now. So we're just gonna open this up. Normally I always get the gold colored watches, but they didn't have any, so I just bought this one. So here's the band, obviously. So here's the sport loops. Take those out because I'm gonna put those ones on. And we're gonna take the watch out. Watch comes in this little sleeve. Oh, and then I also got mine in the 44 millimeter. So hard to take out. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I almost dropped that. So there's the watch. Obviously the charging cable. So yeah, whenever I get well, actually I have a couple of other bands. I have like the lavender gray, the pink sands, I think it's called, like the pink one. And then I'm gonna get a bumper for it because I actually cracked the screen on my Series 5. I dropped it and it cracked like pretty bad. Sorry. So yeah, there's the Apple Watch Series 6 in space gray. So yeah, so if I get other like accessories for it, I'll make another video on that. All right, thanks, bye. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick video that I'm gonna add, and this is showing you my Series 5 watch that I mentioned that I dropped. So yeah, like the screen, like I've never cracked any of my phones ever. Same for my watches, I've never like cracked them before. So yeah, this is like my first time ever cracking a device, and it was like pretty bad. So yeah, I cracked it like a couple months ago. So yeah, just wanted to show that. And I think it's like $300 to get the screen replaced. To me, it's like not even worth paying $300. You just pay a couple hundred more, just get like a newer watch. So yeah.